Hi everyone, another update. I want to show you what I'm working on at the moment. So the fender is off. I bought a new one. It was quite cheap and it will save me a lot of time. So yeah, we will be welding. That's how it looked like. I cleaned it a little bit. So we will need a patch here. On the passenger side, the floor is not bad. We will need one small patch. What else? The right rocker panel looks like that. So it's bent here from the bottom, and here it's bent from the side. It's all rusted. So what I will do, I will weld a square steel tube here. What I'm worrying about the most, I think it will be most difficult for me, are these mounts that holding the body to the frame. Yeah, I will have to do something here. I don't know yet. And on the other side is the same thing. See, it's all rusted. And the rocker panel on the left side is even worse because it's completely rusted through. What else? Floor on the driver's side. I bought a floor panel. See, brand new floor panel. And there will be quite a lot welding on the back. See those holes, and here that's how it looked like. That's how it look on the back. It will be quite a lot of work. Yeah, and they had another side. Same situation. It's not bad. Also, I need to weld the front bumper mounts. This one is not bad. I need to just put a little patch here, but on the other side, see how it's rotted. I will have to create a new mounting point.
Several days later.
As you can see, the rocker is cut out. See, I left two pieces of a rocker, this here, and I will fit between this square tube.
A few moments later.